Have you ever been stuck trying to resolve a calculation in Excel? Or do you have a number of data that you want to find the sum, the count, the average, and you do not know what to do? That is what today's video is about. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be diving into the top 5 basic Excel functions you should know.
I'll be using this data sample to show you top 5 basic Excel functions you must know.
First basic Excel function I want you to know today is sum. Sum helps to find the subtotal value of a data range.
One thing you must take note of in writing a function in Excel is that every function must start with an equal to sign. So equal to sum, and then you open your bracket, you click on the first cell you want to find the sum. If you want to find the sum of the total students, then you have your range, you left click, then you drag down. That's you highlight the range you want, you close your bracket, and then you have the total sum of scores by the student.
The next basic Excel function I want you to know today is average. Just as the name implies, it helps to find the average value of data in the data range.
Let's say I want to find the average of the score. This will help me to know if the overall class is doing well or if the overall class is below average. Remember your equal to sign first, equal to, then average. Ensure not to mix this. Open your bracket, the range you want to find the average. Let's say I want to find the average of this of score 1. You close your bracket, and here it is. So this result shows me that the students are at least doing well, they are way above average.
The next top 5 basic Excel function I have for you today is count. Let's say you have a data document containing data you don't know the specific number of data range, and then you want to find out what is the total number of data in this document. All you have to do is use the count function.
So let's say I want to count the number of students. I have their text result here. Remember, equal to, then my count, open bracket, you highlight, you close bracket, and that gives you. So this is telling me that we have 10 students data here.
The next basic Excel function I have here on my list is min, M-I-N, which is a short form for minimum.
This helps me to find the student with the lowest test score. Minimum, open bracket, you highlight the range, you close bracket, so 68. This is the minimum.
And the last but not the least basic Excel function I have for you today is max, M-A-X. This is a short form for maximum. This helps you to find the highest value in a data range.
I have a video I did on conditional formatting, in which we format out the one with the lowest, the minimum test score, and the one with the maximum test score. So let's try for maximum. We short written as max, open bracket. I want to find who had the highest score in this test I conducted. And then this is showing the result of test 1, and that means 85 Adebayo had the highest test score.
I know the basic Excel functions are not limited to this. If you have anyone you want me to explain much more for you through videos or tutorials, please do well to ask or comment in the comment section below. If there's anything you don't understand, I'll be so excited to assist and see your request in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and see you guys again. Bye.